How to edit homepage sections in Shopify. So first go to Shopify and then click on online store here at the left side, and then click on themes, and then click on edit theme. Now you can see all of your homepage sections here. Alright, so if you want to add sections here, you can just click on add section. You can do that. So if you want to edit the sections of your homepage, you can just click on that. And then if you want to add a new section or a new block here on this announcement bar section, you can do that as well. So here, if you want to change this, for example, this section here at the top, click on that and then click on ask for changes here. So let's say I'm going to change it to make the text all capitalized and bold, right? And then press enter. Okay, now let's just wait for it. Okay, as you can see, now it changed. So you can do that with the other here as well. You can just click on ask for changes again. You can also add new blocks, and then you can also add sections here for the template for the footer as well. So you can begin editing your section here. So if you want to add or editing or to use more editing options, you can just click on the gear icon here. And then you can see a lot of the settings here. So you can edit the icons, the card, the buttons as well. Okay, so once you're done, click on save here at the top right. And that's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.